Hey, what's up everybody? So I just wanted to talk about what I sold yesterday on eBay. I actually sold 2 items yesterday, which is decent, but not great sales. So my first one was a puzzle that I got at Goodwill. I probably got this like a year ago. I bought it for like $2 at Goodwill, and I probably listed it for like 10 when I first listed it. But my pricing strategy for eBay is that every 30 days I decrease the price by 10%, just to try to get some sales, volume. And I finally sold for like $4.50. So I'm really not gonna make like anything on this item. Maybe like $1 or something after the fees and all that. But yeah, I did have a sale of $4, so I guess that's really it for that item. The next one was actually a prom dress that was my girlfriend's. So I think she was gonna take it to Goodwill or something. I'm not really sure what she was gonna do with it, but she told me to just list them on eBay because she wanted to get rid of them. I probably listed it for like $20, and after it's probably been almost 6 months since it's been listed, and finally I got an offer of 10 for it. After it was at like 13, it was priced at like 13. I got an offer of 10 and took it, just because. And I guarantee that she spent like $200 for it new, but she was just gonna get rid of it, and I sold it for $10. It's better than taking it to Goodwill and letting them make a profit on it. So I sold it for $10. Hopefully the person that gets it likes it, and I don't really care what they do with it. They probably are going to resell it or something. I don't know, because I doubt my listing was very good for it. That's about it. Those are the 2 items I sold yesterday. Just on Amazon, I sold Hot Wheel. In the past few days, I've sold a Hot Wheel for like $8, and then I sold a textbook for like 60 or something, 65 maybe. But those are really the only sales I've had recently, in the past few days, since my last video at least. So that's really it for right now. Let me know in the comments what you guys sold, and I'm going to be responding in all the comments from now on. I'll be responding to pretty much every comment, so leave a comment down below, and I'll talk to you soon.